Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin continues to be as clear as mud in this area here. I mean, we talked yesterday and earlier today about this resistance area for a B wave top. After we possibly completed the fourth wave, peaked here in the fifth, I made the channel members aware, I think that was after the last video, that I'm currently looking at this as a top, as a local top. Yeah, it is still possible. Bitcoin can still squeeze another high in, but the structure gets less and less likely for that. Ethereum still looks a little bit more likely in terms of putting another high in. Bitcoin with that low, I mean, it's still possible. Yeah, don't get me wrong, it's still possible, but it basically came down very close to the previous low. It broke out again briefly out of the channel. Now, again, it did not break the 22.5k support, which it would need to do to really bolster the case that a local top has been made here and then here. But this was the resistance area I made you aware of yesterday. Then we reacted to it, came down throughout today, and this is the resistance for a B wave. Very important. Yeah, we have a 3-wave move up off yesterday's low, and this could be a B wave within which we had a possible WXY structure. And it reacted to the 50% fib level, which is ideal for a B wave. Now, we all know how nice B waves are to us, so there is nothing that would stop Bitcoin at the moment to put another high in place here within a B wave. Yeah, we need to be ready for that, and we need to, don't want to say expect it, but we need to be ready for it, because until Bitcoin really breaks below 22.5k, or at least 22.6k, which is this series of lows here, the higher B wave is still possible. Yeah, so you can get obviously here either a small B wave, or this was just the A wave of the B wave. This is the B wave of the B wave, and we will rally once higher. That's still possible. It's possible due to the fib levels that were reached. I mean, had Bitcoin reached like the 78.6 fib in this B wave, I would say the way it came down now, the top must be in really. Or it's getting very weird, but because it only touched the 50% fib, which is not even maxing out the B wave and really just touching the resistance area, which on the other hand was a possible short trade possibility. Yeah, like the support boxes are long trade possibilities, the resistance boxes are short trade possibilities. However, everything in here is not really too reliable. Okay, so we are still in the channel. And what we've done now is a possible first reaction, obviously, within the C wave. So it could be that we have here, or that we are on the way to creating the wave 1, and we might now put a wave 2 in of that C wave. But unfortunately, the move down doesn't really have enough structure for me to work with. So it would just be a lot of guessing, which is pointless. Therefore, it's important to know about these key pivot points. We still have the resistance area. Breaking above 23,461 would now increase again the likelihood, or will lead to a higher B wave top. A break below 22.6 and ideally 22.5 would further bolster the idea of B wave is already in and then coming down. Yeah, the way it's looking for me at the moment, I would say the top is in, but you know that I can't read the future. I can't look into the future. I'm not from the future. Yeah. We need to keep options open. Yeah, we need to keep options open, be a bit flexible here, especially as long as we are in a choppy range. There is just no point in trying to be fixed on a certain scenario. It will only set you up for failure, especially in a choppy range like that. Yeah, expect headwinds when you're trading this, but there is a possibility that we moved down now in a wave 1 of C. So the way this could play out, and this is at the moment not confirmed, because as so often, the actual characteristic now of the retracement will tell us the truth. So if we now move up in 3 waves, make a lower high, then this would be a possible short trade to trade the 3rd wave in the C wave, and then we get a 4th and a 5th. That's how I would prefer it, because we would finally get out of this mess and we would get a real 4, a real wave 4. So yeah, that's sort of where we are. Not much more to add to the previous video, therefore I won't waste your time any further. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.